Hi everyone, it's Tom here from HardSoft and welcome to my tech tips. Today I'd like to show you a really useful feature of your Mac that you might not already be aware of. If we go to the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then System Settings, Display and Dock, and then scroll to the very bottom to Hot Corners. Now Hot Corners is a feature that turns the four corners of your screen into shortcuts. So if we drag to the bottom right, you can see I've got Quick Notes set up already. It's going to open up a note for us and we can start typing. And it's great because this works in any situation, no matter how many windows you've got open. If you want to make a note of something, you're good to go. And there's lots of other things you can set up with this. So you can go to your desktop, the launch pad, the mission control, even locking your screen. So it should really speed up the navigation when you're using your Mac. Now, of course, it can be quite annoying to have this happen every time. Maybe you have it to the bottom left for locking your screen, your mouse goes there, your screen's locked and you're in the middle of something. So what you do in this situation is if you hold down the Command key, so that's that symbol that's only on the keyboard of a Mac, replaces the Windows icon that you might have on one of those keyboards. If you hold that down, it means that in that situation, you'd have to hold that button and then drag your mouse to the corner to lock your screen. And people need to start locking their screens more. You've got important information on there. So if you make this part of your routine, it's ideal. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.